Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in into your Mr. Cooper Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser, and in the Google bar, go and search for Cooper Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will lead you to Mr. Cooper's mortgage account. Go ahead and sign in to your Mr. Cooper account by entering your username or your password. And if they ask you both, go ahead and enter your username and password and click on sign in. This way you will be signed in to your Mr. Cooper Mortgage account. In case you forgot your username, click on forgot your username, and in case you forgot your password, click on forgot your password, and then you can reset your username or password quite easily. And in case you don't have an online account, create one here by clicking this link over here. This was a video on how you can sign in to your Mr. Cooper account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.